si Margie, isang proud full-time ina at may bahay ng isang puno dito sa Amerika. Sa video na ito ay isasama ko kayo sa Apple Store kasi papalitan natin yung cover ng ng laptop kasi medyo malaki. Kaya let's go! Mga talaga ko yung sawa. Kanina ko naghihintay. Hi, my love. Sorry, it took you so long.
Didn't take you long.
You know, there is something or somebody or someone inside.
Now, if you want to change the color, think about that too. They had like pink, blue, purple, black, red. I just got black, so
We'll see.
doesn't mean that.
Yeah.
Let's see what they have.
Yes. Let's go.
We're going, my sweet.
Okay, I'm telling.
Oh. There, my voice is.
So ito yung mga kapitbahay namin.
Turn left onto Northwest 62nd Street.
Thank you.
Everybody's copying the Gilly Gunners. I just want that stated for them.
Because you're so friendly. You never think about it until we saw you.
Although it probably came with the roof.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
So in this video, I'm going to talk the story about how we met, when.
This was a real life story.
Maybe.
But China is
So habang nasa biyahe tayo guys, magkukwentuhan tayo kung paano kami nagkakilala at saan kami nagkakilala at saka kung paano kami napunta dito. Sana maririnig mo ako kasi sobrang hangin.
Take a slight right turn.
So ito ay papuntang
In 5 miles, take the
Kansas City
exit to
downtown?
merge onto I-35 South.
Kansas City downtown.
Yes.
Missouri.
Missouri.
So habang nasa biyahe tayo, magkukentuhan tayo. Dati nagtatrabaho ako bilang isang OFW sa Dubai. 20 anong taon ba? Halos 10 taon yata ako sa halos 10 taon ako doon. Isang amo. Tapos nakauwi ako nung nakatambay ako sa Pilipinas ng mahigit isang taon. Magdadalawang taon. Tapos noong 2022, nag-umpisa akong mag-install ng dating site. At doon ko nakilala itong pogi kong husband. Hi! Ako yung unang nagmensahe sa kanya. Hindi man mensahe, yung parang emoji lang. Ganun. Kasi may bayad yung site na yun. Pero hindi ako nagbayad. Kaya hindi ako pwedeng makapag-mensahe. Simula nun, nung nagkakilala kami ay November 16, 2022. Tapos pagkakisi also, kami na. O diba? Ang bilis. Tapos yun, lagi na kami magkakwentuhan. Lumipat agad kami sa umalis na kami doon sa na yun. That's the season na yun. Doon, lumipat na kami sa Messenger. At doon na nagpatuloy magkwentuhan. Tapos, ayun, lagi na siyang tuwing mansari namin, lagi siya nagpapadala ng bulaklak. Ganon. Binibilhan ako ng cake. Kahit nandun ako sa amo ko.
Use the right lane to take the exit to merge onto I-35 South.
To make story short, sa amin. Pinatigil niya ako para magkasama na kami ng anak ko. Tapos siya na ang nagbibigay sa amin ng buwanan namin na ano, kung magkano yung sahod ko dun sa amo ko, ayun ang binibigay niya sa amin buwan-buwan ng anak ko. Tapos una niyang bisita December 2023. Tapos siya nag-process na kami ng papers namin para makapunta na dito. Nakatatlong bisita siya sa amin.
In about 2 miles, take exit
Pilipinas.
1A on the left onto Southwest Trafficway.
Tapos pang-apat, sinando niya na kami doon para sabay kami yung tatlo pumunta dito. Yung biyahe namin walang kahirap-hirap kasi nga ano siya, yung anong tawag doon? Hindi na kami dumaan sa maraming tanong ganyan. Tapos pagkadating namin dito, unang lapag namin sa Los Angeles. Tapos sumakay kami ulit ng eroplano papuntang Las Vegas. Tapos na.
Accident.
Oh. Please. Ayan. Kaya balik tayo. Lumipad kaming Las Vegas at doon kami tumuloy muna sa hotel simula August 10 hanggang
Go past this exit,
August
then
20.
use the left 2
21.
lanes to take exit 1A on the
Kasi
left onto
pagkalapag namin
Southwest
dito
Trafficway.
sa Amerika, galing ng Pinas,
Use the left 2
nagpakasalagad kami.
lanes to take exit 1A
Dumating
on
kami
the
dito
left
ng
onto Southwest
10.
Trafficway.
August 10, tapos nagpakasalagad kami ng August 18. Oo, tinapat ko talaga sa ano namin, sa mansari namin para isahan, celebrate na lang, di ba?
In 2.3 miles, take a slight left
Tapos
turn
ayun,
onto Roanoke
inantay
Parkway.
na lang namin yung marriage certificate namin ng na matapos. Pero ano lang naman, isang araw lang yata. Tapos pinabalik kami kinabukasan para kunin. Yung kasal namin walang mga bisita ni isa. Yung anak ko lang, siya at ako. Pero napakalaki ng gastos. Nalaman ko na lang nung makauwi na kami dito sa bahay namin kung magkano yung gastos nung kasal namin doon. Malapit na tayo. Tapos yun, nung nakarating na kami dito, nanibago ako sa yung bahay, sobrang laki, 4 na kwarto, 3 CR, tapos 3 lang kami. Pati yung anak ko nanibago kasi nga mag-isa na lang siya matutulog sa kwarto niya. Lagi-lagi talaga magkasama kami natutulog sa isang kwarto. Pero okay naman. Ngayon okay naman. Puputulin muna natin dito mga mams kasi malapit na kami. Isasama ko kayo mga sa dun sa loob. So this is downtown already?
A little bit. This is the Country Club Plaza.
Oh.
A little bit outside of that. There's a
Yeah.
fancy Hilton.
Use the right lane to continue onto West 47th
Right
Street.
lane. So I don't know if we have to park in a garage like that or what. We'll figure it out.
We'll see.
So all the buildings with that terracotta roof, they're part of the Country Club Plaza.
Oh.
So it's kind of used to be back in the day a fancy shopping and restaurant area.
Yeah. It's saying there, heritage.
Yeah, that looks like a restaurant. This is Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Just in case there's parking there. So, in the U.S., the day after Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving night is when they turn on the Christmas lights,
Yeah.
and this whole place is lit up. There's
Oh, really?
probably 10,000 people that come down here. I haven't done it.
So we will park there because
Oh,
there's no
I
empty.
can't now because I can't get over. But worst comes to worst, we'll do
Go
a
back.
drive-by.
The destination is on your
Don't
right.
run, don't run. You guys are all fancy. It's okay.
And we're here. So,
I think this is a fancy popcorn store.
do not enter. How's this? Why do not enter in here?
I don't know.
The sign.
I don't know what's going on. I don't know where to go.
It's right there. Yeah. Alright, that one and go there.
There.
Which store?
What happened store? Over the security guard.
Destination is on your right. Country Club Plaza.
Oh, that one.
Keep all the home.
Country Club Plaza.
This is where we're at, the Country Club Plaza.
Oh, so inside. Right?
It used to be. I think it still is.
Yeah,
It's not like what it was.
I think it's inside.
Good, how are you? I bought the wrong size. Yeah, I bought the wrong size. So we need the
14.
Okay, yeah, I can definitely help you with that, okay? Perfect. Well, how are you guys doing today?
Good, how about you?
Doing great.
Can I go there?
Okay.
Always be a little better than none, right?
Walang mga presyo.
It is clear, gray, white, or black. Clear will be the same as black, or as black as your color.
You
Take the gray one.
You want to take the gray one?
Yep.
Your favorite color?
Where are you?
Your favorite color?
Red? Gray or black, right?
2 hours of battery life. Let's say $100. 800. I'll show you this one. This is a titanium edition. It's a very gorgeous watch. If you have gold jewelry, if you like gold jewelry, I have this one in silver. All right. Well, you're all good to go, my friends. Have a great rest of your day. Congrats on your new
I think we
Mac.
should go with the 11, partly because of the more color options and
And then go this way. So then go to the car and then go home. What bridge is that?
I don't remember the name of it.
Go umuwi, dadaan tayo ng pharmacy. You need something? It's right there. Yeah. So, and now close the pharmacies. Ivy. I'm holding. We are here. Pasok tayo ng pharmacy. Bless you.
Nice try.
Huh?
Push me in the hole.
No, I don't.
It's okay. That's all.
Fried chicken with what? 5 for all of this?
Yeah, and then they got a whole rotisserie. I don't know. Fried chickens taste a lot better, obviously.
ikaw, good for Clarissa fried chicken.
Okay.
Do you want to try this one?
Sure. You want ribs or the burnt ends?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you like?
I like the burnt ends. We just put our own sauce on it.
Barbecue?
Or whatever. It doesn't have to be burnt. This is brisket. Just the slices.
This is cooked already?
Yes. All of it.
So, tomorrow?
Sure.
There is no expiration date?
Still not bad. Okay, it's not bad.
Maybe. Korean barbecue chicken. Yeah. Let's go.
If you have your frequent shopper card, thank you. Please remember to pay $5.49, $22. $5.49. Your total is $34.95.
So this is more expensive than the other one. I saw it.
The bottom.